China owns vast territory and abundant resources. Her towering mountains, dense forests, long rivers, and great lakes make a beautiful picture. The Chinese way to portray the natural sights reflects a specific viewpoint of nature, which is to display the mutual blend between nature and the feelings of the painters via oil and brushes. Although the way of painting changes tremendously from traditional to modern, painters' attention to expression, their personal feelings through pictures, remains. Zhao Ye, a modern artist, created with a free style in his early period. At the time, the main part of his scenery sketching was realistic. With a bold and efficient pen, he can paint a vivid picture by a few strokes. The artist extends infinite space on the limited canvas intelligently, freeing his mind by virtue of painting. Spectators cannot tell the size of the picture merely from its frame. Therefore, we could say the miraculous achievements come by the artist's expansive mind, rather than by his painting skill. In the picture, there is a spacious cornfield where bundles of cornstalk stand on the land. Leaves fly with the wind like flags. This is another work shown in the same village theme. Haystacks, high as the rooftops, are piled before a farmhouse. Two white geese idle around the haystacks for food, bringing a hint of fun and vitality into the picture. This is a familiar village road in the common country afternoon. The warm and drowsy sunshine lay on the bushes and on the grass. A shepherd boy and his flock of sheep make up a wonderful scene. The artist shows an indispensable feeling for villages. The painting was created in the 1980s, full of rich color. The whole picture is vivid and filled with childhood memory. Zigzagging paths make the space of the picture interesting and mysterious. This is a picture from the artist's memory of his homeland. Well-organized, bulky phoenix trees are arranged beside side streets. Inhabitants and peddlers are walking slowly back and forth in the alleys. The quiet and plain small streets look peaceful and leisurely. It is these nameless but quiet alleys in Xi'an that shows the soft feelings in the heart of the painter. Even without specific locations and scenes, the artist's work so familiar to us. The autumn scenery on wide grasslands. The winter views of snowy wooden houses. Original stone houses and simple tiled roof houses. All of this are the artist's appreciation and experience for the environment.